Catheter Vacuum Leak Tester is a professional device used to detect leaks in medical catheter systems under vacuum conditions. Its primary purpose is to ensure the sealing integrity and safety of catheters during use, preventing medical accidents caused by leaks. This tester can be widely used for leak detection in various medical catheters, such as suction